Hi, today I have these LED multicolor string lights and I'm going to show you how they look, and we're going to open it together and do a little demo, okay? So first of all, looking at this box, I'm super excited because you can use them indoors or outdoors. It has 4 mixed colors, 20 meters of 200 LEDs, and you could just plug it right in. So I'm really excited because they have different patterns of the light, and it's 8 different patterns. So it says there's combination, waves, sequential, slow glow, chaser, flashing, slow fade, twinkle flash, and steady on. So I'm excited for that. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so here are the lights all bundled together, and we have the instructions, so that helps. You can see how to use it. The instruction manual is always a good idea. So let me plug this in and I will show you how that works. So first thing I noticed though is there's a little press button here, and that changes the pattern of the lights. So I'm gonna plug it in and we'll see. Okay, so I just plugged it in and you can see the patterns already going. And let's unravel this so I can see how long these are. So this is going to look really nice on the Christmas tree or around the house or the porch. It looks really nice, very high quality. Let's look at one of these bulbs. So it's a little like square, rounded type of thing. So it looks very sturdy and stable. See if you can see that up close. See those? Looks really nice, doesn't it? Yeah, so super cool. Right now it's just going through the different designs of it, but yeah, so far I'm really liking it. So I'm gonna push the button a couple times and see what kind of patterns we get, okay? Okay, I think I like this pattern because it's nice and steady and you can see all the different colors. It looks very pretty and nice and bright. So definitely my first choice for decorations for holidays or just to brighten up a spot in the house or outside the house. And it looks very festive and easy to use. Just plug it right in. I don't have to worry about any of the bulbs falling out because it looks very, very sturdy and very nice. So let me know what you think about it. Click the link below to get your own set, okay?